Welcome to our quick demo of sentiment analysis at Glass Divide. We ask you to fill in a project brief prior to uploading your data. In the two text areas near the bottom of the form, please give us full description of the data being uploaded. This will aid our understanding of your aims and requirements. Once you've uploaded your data and submitted, you'll be taken back to the orders page where you can continue and make your payment. Once we've received your file, we'll examine and prepare it for analysis. Here is a look at some of the Python coding for the psychographic sentiment analysis, along with the output. We can see the text, along with its psychographic score, the bar charts of the first and second sentiment scores, and the unusual scatter plot charts of the first versus second sentiment score. Each plot represents an emotion: happiness, anger, surprise, disappointment, neutral, disgust. The color of the marker shows the second sentiment. So, in the first plot we can see happiness, with various second sentiments for those feedback markers. Anger, in the second plot, is mostly mixed with disgust as the second feedback sentiment. We also run the customer review through a second Python analysis to classify them for positive, neutral, and negative sentiment, with the bar charts and the scatter plots for sentiment scores positive, neutral, and negative. Then we read all of the sentiments and scores back into our tables for analysis. Looking at the interrelationships, we select happiness. It is linked to yes, would buy again, and to the high star ratings. Disappointment, on the other hand, is associated with no and the lower star ratings. Moving on to the terms and phrases list, chip and flavor have the highest count for usage, with other terms below. Let's examine the word cloud. The words are colored by their positive, neutral, and negative scores, red being bad. They are sized by how often they are used. Barbecue and wickedly good are in green and are quite often used. One would expect like to be a positive word, but here we see it in red. Let's see why. It has a few cases of positive usage, but then there are lots of negative uses: not like, didn't like, as well as other sentences of negativity. We can quickly confirm this with the graph builder, looking at the sentiments associated with barbecue. Almost all happiness. Like, on the other hand, has quite a mixed bag. A few in happiness, but much more in anger and disappointment. Finally, we provide a report of the analysis, along with our findings. We cover all of the salient points we've just gone over. We show correlations, and patterns and insights. We give you a summary, and a conclusion which pulls everything together, and wraps it all up.